Hey y'all, it is your girl Ashley Ariane back with another video. Yes, I picked up some new products and I'm testing them out for you guys. So today we're gonna be using products from Beauty from the Roots. But before we get into the video, hit the subscribe button so you can see all of my future uploads, and then if you haven't already, please follow me on all of my social media. It's gonna be right here. And yeah, let's get into the video. Like I said, it's gonna be about Beauty from the Roots. I ordered their L.O.C method products, so it's a leave-in, an oil, and a cream. And I got free shampoo and conditioner with my order, and so I'm gonna be testing it out. I decided to do a braid out, and I'll let you know everything I think and how I think the products went at the end. So stay tuned, here you go. Bow. So I am starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and yes, I am extra about my products. I am a product junkie. I love new products, y'all. And so I'm just gonna show y'all my hair. I washed it in 4 sections. That's usually how I do my wash day. If you want to see that video, leave a comment below. I might record my wash day so y'all can see it. But moving along, I'm starting off in 1 section, and that's how I'm really gonna just go through. And this is just my hair freshly out of the towel after I washed it and conditioned it, but we gonna put some water on that thing. Step 1 was the Hydrating Mango Hair Mist, and that was the leave-in conditioner for this line. It came in a cute little spray bottle, so I really like that. Anything that's aesthetically appealing, and it's sprayed out, not too thin, not too thick, so I really like that as well. But y'all, the best part was it was so soft, and it made my hair so easy to detangle. Like, I was really feeling this leave-in conditioner. Step 2 is the Crazy Growth Oil, and so that also came in a little spray bottle. It wasn't the same kind of bottle. It was like you had to push down and not like push in, so it's a little bit harder, but I really like the oil too. The oil made my hair so shiny, and it locked in all of the moisture from the leave-in conditioner, so I was really digging it. And it also made my hair really soft, and I used the pray your hands method to get that going. So unfortunately, I am a lazy sack of bones, and I did not record the cream to show you guys, and I didn't really want to go back and just put in like a random clip, but I put the cream on top after I used the oil, and now I'm sectioning my hair to actually go ahead and start braiding. And y'all, honesty hour, please do not take my black card, but I am horrible at braiding. Like, I cannot French braid, and so individuals is like the next best thing. And so it took me a while to like get it going, and yeah, it was a lot. But basically, you just take 3 equal pieces of hair, and you wrap the furthest one over the middle, and then the next one over the middle, and you keep interchanging, and you go all the way down, and once you get to the end, you twirl your ends around your fingers so it can have the curl effect once you're done doing your hair. And so I'm just gonna finish showing y'all this braid, and then we're gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of me braiding, and I'll be back. Okay, so I forgot one quick little thing. So I use my brush to brush through and smooth the ends before I twirl it around my finger, because if your hair is all bunched up, it's gonna look a mess. So just make sure you brush through occasionally if your fingers are getting stuck, to make sure your hair is as detangled and smooth as possible. Okay, back for real, y'all. Woo, child, yes, I am done and I am swinging, swinging, swinging. Yes. Woo, honey. I'm just counting my braids so I can be accurate with you guys. If you wanted to replicate this style, if you like it when you see the results. And I'm a little slow for a graduate student, but we got about 20. Yeah, 20 braids. And so I'm about to let it dry overnight, but here is a 360 of the braids, and I will be back tomorrow.
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I'm in wow, Ashley. I am about to take off my bonnet do-rag and my hair is completely dry. I didn't show y'all, but I do have a couple of perm rods on my ends. Some of my ends be acting a little funny. I know I don't have heat damage, but I just be needing that extra support to get the braid out popping. And so I'm going to use the same growth oil that I used in the actual braids to take them down. And you don't need a lot. A little goes, ooh, Ashley, you cannot talk today. A little goes a long way, guys. This is why I talk slow. So you want to gently take apart the ends so that you don't disturb the curl pattern, because the ends will make or break your braid out. I'm telling you, it will kill it or kill it, okay? And so you gently take the braid apart. Don't rush. Just make sure that you're gentle with the entire process. And I like to take down my braids and separate the curls at the same time. That's my prerogative. But that texture popping, boo. Look at my braid. Y'all see me smirk a little bit. And so I'm just going to show y'all the process of me separating. And I think I'm going to do my edges and we'll be back. So, final thoughts. Yes, I know I'm in a different place. I had to switch locations because Bae is in the shower and I usually record in the bathroom, but I love this leave-in conditioner. It was bomb. It instantly made my hair soft, moisturized. It was everything I needed. And I kind of have low porosity hair, but I tried the lock method anyway just to see like what would be popping with it, and it worked. It worked, or at least with these products it worked. So this was their Crazy Growth Oil. It smoothed my hair right after I put the leave-in conditioner in, and I'm pretty sure this is what made it like super shiny. Like, baby, this was it. These were it. And then to top it off, Define Me Please hair pudding. So this was the cream, and y'all, ooh, it's too white. I didn't use that much. I only used like 5% of this little thing, or even less, and all of them together, I mean, I don't know if I ever seen my hair flourish like this, you feel me? So overall, I really like the products. They did that. I did that, they did that, we did that, okay? So yeah, I'm really digging this braid out. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And you know, just in case you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm gonna leave it in the little end slide. Bye, y'all.